Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Modified Mallampatti classification. Modified Mallampatti grading is given by Sampson and Young. In modified Mallampatti grading, we also have added fasces. So here we see four structures: fascial fillers, fosses, uvula and soft palate. Mallampatti classification 1. In grade 1, you can see the fascial fillers, fosses, uvula and soft palate is visible. In modified Mallampatti grading type 2, you can see the fosses, major part of uvula and the soft palate is seen. Whereas in Mallampatti grading 3, you can see only the base of uvula and the soft palate. In modified Mallampatti grading 4, you can see only the hard palate. You cannot see fascial pillars, fosses, uvula and soft palate are not visible. There is Mallampatti 0 also. In Mallampatti 0, pharynx and epiglottis is seen. Modified Mallampatti classification. According to modified Mallampatti classification, we have four grades. Grade 1, all fascial pillars, fosses, uvula, soft palate is visible. Grade 2, fosses, uvula, soft palate is visible. Grade 3, base of uvula and soft palate is visible. Grade 4, only hard palate is visible. Grade 0, pharynx and epiglottis is visible.
thank you and thank you for watching.